Hey, welcome back to Replikator. I know the last video we did was 7 years ago, but hey, better late than never. Speaking of never, here I am. You're probably wondering two things. Why is he happy, and what's in the box? This photo was taken in August of 2022, and I had just had heart surgery. So I'm happy because I'm alive, and two, because I'm in Canada, so that didn't cost me a thing. So what is in the box? Well, this masterpiece is in the box. It's Dora Wing's 1/48 scale model kit of the Vultee Vengeance Mark II. Back in April, I ordered this from my place here in the Ottawa suburb of Canada. And before you ask, are you nuts putting the location of your house up for all to see? Relax, I'm not crazy. That's Panzermeister 36's house. Check his channel out, he could probably use the hits. Anyway, back to the kit. It came from Dnipro in the Ukraine, and you might have heard of Ukraine in the news lately because of their idiotic neighbor who decided, hey, I want to expand my backyard and I don't want to pay for it. Things in Dnipro haven't been easy as of late. They've had cruise missiles interrupting their morning commute, making it a little more complicated. So when I ordered this kit along with some other things from the Ukraine, I gotta stop saying the Ukraine. It's Ukraine. I should know that. I'm Canadian. We got tons of Ukrainians living here. I decided to forget about the order until it arrived, and guess what? Every single kit I've ordered has arrived. So please, if you haven't already, donate to the Ukraine, support their economy by purchasing more kits, and that's a great thing to tell your spouse you're doing because, you know, they love us ordering kits. Anyway, the Vengeance is an interesting subject, and this is the first release of the kit in the Thinking Man scale of 1/48. So if you'd like to learn more about the Vengeance, there is the link to the Wikipedia page below in the comments. There's also a great book by Peter C. Smith, if you can find a copy of it. Probably the most comprehensive history out there, and yeah, it's it. You need a reference book on the Vengeance. See if you can find a copy of it. There will be a link below to either Amazon or Ape Books. And also stick around if you're really interested in the Vengeance. I'll have a photo montage of Australian Vengeances. I found these at the Australian War Memorial Archives, and again, the link to that will be listed in the comments section. So without much further ado, here is the kit. Okay, that's the end of this video, but first, some housekeeping. If you're interested in how this kit is going to progress, my friend Chris, who, like Panzermeister 36, is another local modeler, runs Model Airplane Maker. Check them out, the links are below. Model Airplane Maker has a Pacific Group Build Challenge running on Facebook, and this will be my entry. I don't know if Panzermeister 36 is entering, but if he does, it'll probably be an Imperial Japanese Army flying Stug or something, but alas, I digress. And while we're talking about Facebook, we're there too. Give us a like there, and you'll get all sorts of the nonsense that you have come to expect from us in your daily feed. We also have a website, home to past issues of our old magazine, which are free to download, and it also hosts a Tamiya Paint database, featuring mixes for their acrylic line of paint. Lastly, while you're here, please click like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications. We've got more videos just like this on the way. Thanks for watching. See you soon, and keep on modeling.